Hello everyone, welcome to the CRM Essentials course. In the last lesson, we learned about leads. In this lesson, we will be learning about lead pool. Let's take a look at lead pool. We use F1-2 to represent the identifier of this feature set, lead pool. In the glossary, a lead pool refers to a shared repository or database within a CRM system where unassigned leads or potential customers are stored for sales representatives to claim, assign, and pursue for further engagement and conversion. We may move leads that we're not currently following up on into the lead pool. You can see that leads pool include the following main features: search lead, view lead details, edit lead, archive lead, claim lead, assign lead, and convert to customer. The features search lead, view lead details, edit lead, convert to customer, and archive have the same functionality as the leads from the previous lesson, so I won't go into detail about them here. Claim lead refers to an employee proactively applying to take responsibility for a lead. Once a lead is claimed, others cannot claim it. The lead will then move from the lead pool to the leads page. As a sales manager, you can set the number of leads each person can claim. You can add this rule in the system or in the settings page. On the other hand, the assign lead feature allows the sales manager to assign a lead to a specific subordinate. We will use XMind to draw the data structure. We can duplicate the content drawn in the previous lesson to save time and name it F1-2 lead pool. Then, in the Basic Info section, we need to change owner to previous owner because the leads moved into the lead pool are all previous owner. The other fields remain unchanged and consistent with lead management. The Source Info and Tracking Info sections also remain unchanged. In the lead status under Status Info, we need to change the status to unassigned because the leads moved into the lead pool do not have an owner. Therefore, their status is unassigned. Finally, the relevant module also remains unchanged. Next, let's create a prototype. Right-click on the lead management page we created in the previous lesson. Select Duplicate and then Branch. Change the page name to Lead Pool and then update the title to Lead Pool. In the Search section, we don't need the lead status because the status of leads in the lead pool is unassigned. We need a date range picker. Drag a date range picker from the masters. Then, in the Search drop-down list, change the owner option to previous owner. In the Table section, modify the table name. Since it's not necessary to differentiate the leads in the lead pool, delete the tabs. We also don't need to add a lead on the lead pool page, so delete new lead. In the Bulk Operation section, we need a Claim button and an Assign button. Next, add a Reset button to the Search section. In the Table section, we need to add a reason for moving to the lead pool. This field is used to display the content entered in the Moving to the Lead Pool dialog we created in the previous class. Enter Lack of Response in the table row. Then move this column to increase its visibility. And modify the content of the lead status column to unassigned. Next, add a Claim and a Assign buttons to the Operation column. Now, let's create dialogues and notices. Copy a notice from another page. Change the name and content to Assigned Successfully. Duplicate it and change the name and content to Claimed Successfully. Then, copy a dialog from the lead detail page to create the Assign to dialog. Change the label to owner. Then, copy a multi-select list from the Edit Lead page. Change the dynamic panel name to Assigned to. Add an action to show the Assigned Successfully notice when clicking the Save button. Wait for 2000 milliseconds and then hide it. Change the text of the Save button to Confirm. Then, add a click interaction to the Claim button to show the Claimed Successfully notice. Wait for 2000 milliseconds and then hide the Claimed Successfully notice. Next, add a click interaction to the Assign button to show the Assigned to panel. Check Bring to Front and then select Treat as Lightbox. Duplicate more buttons. Delete the new lead page. Change the name of the Edit Lead page to Edit the Lead Pool Lead. Go to the Edit Lead page. Remove owner because the leads in the lead pool do not have an owner, only a previous owner. Go to the Lead Pool Lead Details page. Change owner to previous owner. Change the lead status to unassigned. In the Source Info section, we need a date of moving to customer pool. Adjust the text style and then add a reason for moving to the lead pool field. The interfaces of the follow-up records, attachments, and operation log modules remain unchanged. Next, let's create notice and dialogues. Duplicate a notice. Change the name and label to Assigned Successfully. Then, add assign and claim options to the operations dialog. Next, copy the Assign to dialog from the lead pool page. Select the Submitted Successfully dialog and change the name to Claimed Successfully. Select the Claim button. Add an action to show the Claimed Successfully notice. Wait for 2000 milliseconds, then hide the Claimed Successfully notice. Then select the Assign button. Add an action to show the Assign to dialog. Go to the lead pool page. Choose the Claim button. Add a click interaction to show the Claimed Successfully notice. Wait for 2000 milliseconds. Then hide the Claimed Successfully notice. Select the Assign button. Add a click interaction to show the Assign to dialog. Next, select the customer text in the table. Choose to open the lead pool lead details page. Copy and paste the interaction to other text. Then, go to the lead pool lead details page. Select the text and icon in the top left corner. Create a dynamic panel. Add a click interaction to return to the previous page. Open the frame page. Copy and paste the leads navigation interaction to the lead pool navigation. Choose to open the lead management page in an inline frame. We need to adjust some interactions of the dialogues and notices. Go to the lead pool lead details page. Select the Assign button. Choose to treat as a lightbox. Go to the lead pool page. Select the Assign button. Choose to treat as a lightbox. Go to the lead pool lead details page. Select the Confirm button in the Assign to dialog. Choose to show the Assigned Successfully notice. Hide the Assigned Successfully notice. Select the Archive button. Add a 2000 milliseconds wait. Hide the archive dialog. Return to the frame page. Preview the prototype. You can select options from the drop-down list. Click the Edit button to open the Edit Lead page. Click the Back button to return to the previous page. Click the Assign to button to show the Assign to dialogues. Click the Confirm button to show the Assigned Successfully notice. Click the Claim button to show the Claimed Successfully notice. Click the Customer Details to show the Customer Details page. You can switch between different modules. Click the Claim button in the top right corner to show the Claimed Successfully notice. Click the Assign button to show the Assign to dialog. Click the Confirm button to show the Assigned Successfully notice. Click the Archive button to show the Archive dialog. That's all for this lesson. If you have any questions, please leave me a message. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share with others. Thank you.